In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get your Steam Web API key and how to manage that information later if you ever need to revoke or update it. If you're working with Steam integrations, game data tools, trading bots, or any application that connects to Steam's developer services, you'll likely need a Steam Web API key to access certain features. The good news is that getting one only takes a minute, and I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to generate your key and where to manage it later. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to the official Steam Web API registration page. The address you want to visit is steamcommunity.com/dev/API-key. Once the page loads, Steam may ask you to sign in to your Steam account if you aren't already logged in. Just enter your Steam username and password and complete the login process. After signing in, you'll be taken to the Steam Web API key registration page. This is where Steam allows developers and users to generate a unique API key tied to their account. You'll see a simple form on the page asking for a domain name. Don't worry if you don't have a website. Steam only requires something to identify the application that will use the API key. In the domain name field, you can enter something like localhost if you're testing locally, or you can enter your website URL if you're building a real application or service. For example, many developers simply type localhost when they are experimenting with tools or personal projects. After entering the domain name, you'll need to agree to the Steam Web API terms of use if the checkbox appears on your screen. Once everything looks correct, click the register button. Steam will immediately generate your personal Steam Web API key and display it on the page. This key is what applications use to communicate with Steam's API services. Make sure to keep this key private because anyone with access to it could potentially make requests using your account's API access. Now let's talk about managing your API key later. If you ever need to check your key again, you can simply return to the exact same page at steamcommunity.com/dev/API-key. When you open the page while logged into your Steam account, Steam will show your existing API key instead of the registration form. From this page, you can view your key, confirm the registered domain, or revoke the key if you no longer want it active. Revoking the key will disable any services or applications that were using it, which can be useful if you believe the key has been exposed or if you simply want to generate a new one. And that's it. That's exactly how to get your Steam Web API key and manage it whenever you need. As you can see, the process only takes a minute once you know where to go. If this video helped you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.